Hi everyone, I'm back. I know it's been a while, but I do have a very special video planned. It's a little bit different from what I usually do, but then if you're like an OG-ish follower, you'll know that I've done lots of different things, and that if it's anything Pokemon, anime, or kind of millennial related, I'm definitely here for it. So, I have ordered REV's new mystery packs of 1 Rips. Okay, I've seen a few videos of people opening it, and honestly, I don't really want to be regurgitating everything REV has said, but it's pretty self-explanatory, as in, we have 1 mystery pack in this pack, and it can be anything from the current Mega Evolutions era, right the way up to, I think it's, Rocket and Jungle base set, those ones, so we're pretty much aiming to get anything in between. Ideally, nothing Sword and Shield based, because I've got enough Sword and Shield stuff, so I'm pretty much aiming for any chase packs older than that. If I do sound a little bit kind of icky, I'm getting over a flu, but I honestly just didn't want to wait to open this because it was delivered like a week ago and I'm already a week delayed, and having these sit here for a week and not being opened is really difficult, so let's get into it. And I have got a little bit of new setup right now. My phone hasn't got the best storage at the moment, so I'm having to use my laptop instead, so apologies if the resolution isn't as good as it could be. And also right now London is going through, oh my gosh, a horrible heat wave, so if I'm a little bit glossy, that's why. It's really hot right now. Disclaimer, I'm not going to be opening the packs because I'm at the stage where I'm kind of want to get the full art selection of the art of the packets, the artwork, so that's what I'm going for, and we'll see what we get. So I do have 10 of these. I might just kind of shuffle it up. I'd like to do the kind of blackjack shuffle card style, but I'm not good at that. I think that's shuffled as good as it's going to get. Pack number 1, let's go. Okay, Sword and Shield, Lost Origin. I hope this is a new pack artwork. I don't know, so I'm actually going to be checking these like after the video and then updating you guys. So number 1, Lost Origin. Number 2, Crown Zenith. I won't sniff at Crown Zenith because apparently it has some good artwork, so, you know, we'll see. Oh, that one opened up really nicely. Fusion Strike. Guys. I do have 10, so hopefully we'll get some kind of variety. I mean, at this point, I really don't want to be getting Scarlet and Violet, but like, I also missed out on, what did I miss out on last year? I missed out on Destin's Rival, so I really would like to get one of those. We're not even going to talk about Ascended Heroes, like, yeah, no. Okay, so we've doubled up. We have 2 Lost Origins, but the good thing is, they're different pack artwork, so I'm halfway there to getting the set. What's that? Number 5. Paradox Rift, different. I'm seeing, okay. Scarlet and Violet, fine. Number 6. We kind of flew through these, which is a shame. Do you have anything interesting? Scarlet and Violet base. Okay, so you have a little Scarlet and Violet set there. Sword and Shield. Okay. 7. This doesn't look promising. Phantasmal Flames. Rev, you're doing me dirty right now. Seriously. Okay, I'm going to pause the opening here. Okay, so I've got 3 left. Upside down and all sorts. What I didn't say earlier is I have gotten REV mystery packs in the past, and honestly, my luck and pull rate is not the best, but I did manage to get a silver, which was, if I remember correctly, platinum base, and a gold, which was the Japanese jungle set. So it is possible to pull these good things. I probably should have added them to the video, but in my defense, I have these plastics, I think the Americans call them like bins, that have all of my sealed product. Honestly, I didn't want to go and get it because they're tucked away nicely and they're literally stacked underneath my yarn. You guys that know me know that I yarn and I do a lot of crochet and knitting. I'm not about to be moving heavy boxes of yarn just to get 2 packs. I'm sorry. Couldn't do it. Maybe next time, but not now. Sorry. Okay, so I may have lied when I said that my boxes were, you know, completely unreachable. Because I do have this little one. So these are kind of how my boxes look. So when I've travelled to the States, I've gathered some mystery boxes because we don't really have any in the UK, not that I've seen, and not any good ones. Sorry guys, but yeah, anyways. So you can see some of my REV packs. This one you can probably see is a green. I'll take it out and show you so you guys see that I'm legit. I have actually purchased these in the past and I'm not biased, because sometimes you get good things, sometimes you don't. So here's REV Mystery Pack 4.0. There we go. So it was a green tier I got, and in that, I might actually see if I can match some of these up. Okay, I got this sticker, of course. Scotland Violet Temporal Forces, Fusion Strike again, Lost Origin, Astral Radiance, and Crown Zenith. Yeah, there's a pattern here, right? Anyways, and the green one I got, don't ask why I left it in here, just for proof I suppose, was Vivid Voltage, which is really decent at the moment. I don't think I have many Vivid Voltages, whatever. Like, I bought them in the past, opened them, but in terms of keeping hold of some, I don't think I have any. So that was actually a nice find. That was a good green. I have gotten red as well. So really I've gotten like all colours, but I think I might have gotten rid of red like a donut. Now here's the one you guys wanted to see. So this was the diamond one, you can see. Wait, why is this green? That's very strange. How many are in here? Okay, this is a diamond pack. What number is it? 6.0 it says here. Probably can't quite see it. There we go. Green. I'm going to show you what the green one was I got. Something new. So I got Stellar Crown, Paradox Swift, Surging Sparks. I think this is the only Surging Sparks I have. Crown Zenith, and Lost Origin. And the green pack in the crystal was, I mean, ideally it's crystal. You wanted to get the blue crystal packet, but I'll leave that for Ryan. Sorry, I'll leave that for Coltrane and Ryan. Yeah, I haven't seen this video, but I've seen the preview, so it's on my watch list. So the Scarlet and Violet base was that green pack. I honestly didn't know I had 3 in here. I think I just went on a bend where I just kind of opened all of them because I decided I didn't want to save them. There we go. The Rainbow Tier version 5.0. So as we can see, that was a silver one. And let me show you the packs I got in there. I got Twilight Masquerade, Temporal Forces, Obsidian Flames, Lost Origin, and Crown Zenith again. Right, but the silver one, and I came prepared. I'm going to sleeve them up. I really do need to start sleeving my booster packs, especially if they're special ones. So I'm going to get that out now. These were actually for my slabs. I don't actually think I've used them because I've not sold my slabs yet. Right. There we go. Oh, it wasn't... Okay, so it wasn't based like I thought. Nope, it's black and white base. I don't know why I thought it was platinum, but oh well. Right, let's just pop this in. There we go. I'll probably put it in like a top load or something later. There we are. So, the stuff is decent and there is a variety, but I do promise you I did get a gold. That is what's in my big plastic, which I definitely don't be reaching. That has a lot of like my rare goods as rare as I can get, not like vintage stuff, because I don't got money for that. Back to the opening. Okay, final 3. Please give me something that is not Scarlet and Violet, Mega Evolutions, or Sword and Shield. Please, that's all I'm asking. Crown Zenith, number 2. Okay. Final 2. I mean, anybody from the UK that wants to get it, there is this... Wrong way around, sorry. There is this flash deal at the moment, which is between £15 and £16. Now, the reason I'm saying is between 15 and 16 is because when I first saw it, it was listed as £15. And then the following day, so this is like hours later, I did do the purchase. I still have it in my hand, by the way. I did do the purchase, and they were £16. And then a few days later, it went back to 15. But now it's pretty much just staying at £16 per pack. I won't lie, packaging and postage is high-key nightmarish. It's like £25, but... yeah, as somebody that also ships to the US, fair enough, mine are usually like between £15 and £20 shipping. It is a bit much, but I guess it probably depends on the state you're in, because we know that the US has loads of states, loads of different regulations and all that kind of jazz. But I would say it's worth it. Getting 10 is kind of extortionate, but in my opinion, this is what I call an investment purchase. So I have an allotment for that, so that's okay. But I'd say maybe get between 5 and 10 packs. 10 to kind of improve your chances of getting something interesting, but considering it's randomized, just because you get 10, like me, doesn't mean you're going to get anything spectacular. But I do think it's worth it, because realistically, when are you ever going to get the chance to see or get these things ever again? Like these vintage packs and stuff. Loads of mystery products claim that, but honestly, there are some questionable ones out there, and at least REV stuff is actually pretty transparent. He'll tell you about it, it's literally on the pack. No quips, no queries, all very straightforward. So I do recommend you guys trying it. No, I'm not affiliated in any way, obviously, but this is just my first experience, even though it's not the best right now, but historically I have had some good stuff. What do we have here? Prismatic Evolutions. Okay, this is another one I wouldn't mind getting, because I didn't even sniff this last year. Like, things are mad. Honestly, the hobby hasn't been good of late, and I'm low-key just trying to stay away. This is like the closest I'm going to get. Right, final pack. We do have, I think the best one so far that the best pack we've gotten from here is actually the Prismatic Evolutions, which is tragic because it is a modern pack, but whatever, oh well. Last pack, let's see what we get. I'm actually going to close my eyes for this just for dramatic effect. Actually, I can't. There we go. Now it is. 3, 2, 1. Is it something good? Please tell me it's not Scarlet and Violet, not Prismatic, not Sword and Shield, not Evolutions. Scarlet and Violet. Okay, so just a quick rundown of what we got. We got Prismatic, Scarlet and Violet base, Stellar Crown, Phantasmal Flames, and Paradox Rift. So the good thing is, for Scarlet and Violet, we didn't actually double up, on sets at least. But I can add this to my collection, and we can see how my artwork is going to go from there. And the rest we got was Sword and Shield, not in order at all. We got 1 Fusion Strike, I think 2 Crown Zeniths, there we go, and 2 Lost Origins. At least the artwork is different. So all in all, sorry REV, I think this was low-key a bust. Still love you, still will buy your things in the future, but it would have been nice to have some cool stuff. You see guys, this is why I don't really post Pokemon unboxing stuff, because it's low-key not great. And when I did do it in the past, it didn't get much traction, which is why they have all been privatized. A lot of work went into it, so it's still there. If you are interested and want me to repost it, I totally can, or rather just make it public. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. I will do another video close to this to explain what I'm going to do with this channel, because honestly, and I keep saying, oh guys, I'm sorry, I'll post and stuff. Honestly, I just can't do it. That's not to say I want this account to go bust. I do still want to be posting content, but I'll just be honest, it's not going to be regular. It might just be like lots of videos one time in a year, then really quiet for the rest of it, because realistically, the most free time I have is over the summer. I have like, because I work in schools, I have like 2-week holidays there, half term here, but realistically 1 week and 2 weeks is not enough to get housework done, other things done, videos done, crafting done. Sorry, no. And as you guys can hear, I have low-key been burning out, like getting sick and stuff. But thanks for tuning in, and I'll do another video for you guys in the future. Thank you, take care, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!